Hello everyone. Today we'll explain how to remove Internet Explorer totally from your PC. It's easy steps. Let's see. From Start menu, type Control Panel. Okay. Then you will see here Programs and Features. Click on it. Then click on Turn Windows Features on or off. Okay, we will see Internet Explorer 11. Just uncheck this mark and click yes. Then OK. As you can see, just restart your PC and then the Explorer will go out. Okay. After restart, you will not see this again. Thank you for watching and please subscribe for more. Thanks.